we are going to solve the example, that is we need to solve the quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. So we are going to solve this quadratic polynomial using the tabular form. So after getting the tabular form, we need to draw the graph for that. So first take x value as minus 2. So what is p of x given? P of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. So in the place of x, we should keep the value as minus 2. So minus 2 whole square minus 3 into minus 2 minus 4. So just in the place of x, I am keeping the value as minus 2. So minus 2 whole square means minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4. 4. So minus into minus again plus 3 2s are 6 minus 4. So 4 plus 6 how much? 10. 10 minus 4 6. So for x value minus 2 we got y value as 6. That is y. So next we are taking x value as minus 1. X value as minus 1. So again for in this equation I am keeping in the place of x I am keeping minus 1 value. So minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. So minus into minus again same, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 1. Minus into minus plus 3 into 1 3 plus minus 4. So 1 plus 3 how much? 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So that is y. So for x is equal to minus 1 value, we got the value as 0. So minus 1 comma 0. Here it is minus 2 comma 6. Okay. Like that we need to calculate for each and every value in the table. So x is equal to 0. How we are going to take the table like this? Means for x value we should take 0 and some positive values and some negative values. For any quadratic equation we should take like that only. 0, some positive values and some negative values. So x value 0. So I am taking the x value as 0. So p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. So 0 whole square minus 3 into 0 minus 4. So 0 into anything is 0 only. So that is minus 4. So for x value 0 we got the value as minus 4. Next I am taking x value as 1. So x value 1. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. So x value how much we should take? 1. So 1 whole square minus 3 into 1 minus 4. 1 whole square means 1 only. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4 how much? Minus 7. 1 minus 7. So 1 positive and 1 negative means we should subtract. So 1 minus 7 is 6. And what is the sign for the bigger number? Minus. So we should keep minus 6. Next. P of 2 how much? We need to calculate. Same. X square minus 3x minus 4. So x value what we should take? 2. 2 whole square minus 3 into 2 minus 4. So 2 square is 4. Minus 3 into 2 6. Minus 4. So plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, that is minus 6. So for p of 2 value we got coordinates as 2 comma minus 6. We got the coordinates as 2 comma minus 6. Next p of 3 value. P of 3 value. So again in the place of x I am keeping the value as 3. So 3 square minus 3 into 3 minus 4. 3 3 is a 9 minus 3 3 is a again 9 minus 4. So plus value 1 plus value and 1 minus value get cancelled, that is minus 4. So for 3 the y coordinate is minus 4. Okay. Next for p of 4 value. So for p of 4 I am taking again in the place of x I am taking 4. So 4 whole square minus 3 into 4 minus 4. So 4 square means 4 into 4 16 minus 3 4s are 12 minus 4. So 16 minus 12 minus 4 how much? Both are having same sign. So addition. If both are having same sign we should do addition. If one positive and one negative sign means we should do subtraction. So 12 plus 4 is 16. And what is the greater number sign? Minus. So 16 minus 16 is 0. That is, what is our coordinates we got? 4, 0. So first we should understood that here both values are positive or negative means we should do addition and we should keep the bigger number sign. If one positive and one negative means we should subtract and we should keep the greater number sign. So next P of 5 value. P of 5, that is x square minus 3x minus 4. So 5 square minus 3 into 5 minus 4. So 5 5s are 25 minus 3 5s are 15 minus 4. So 15 minus 4 is 19. So 15, 4. Both are having same sign, that is minus. 15 plus 4 is 19 and I am keeping the negative sign. So 25 minus 19, that is 6. So for P of 5 value we got 5, 6. So for this tabular form for x values we got the values like this. For minus 2, 6. For minus 1, 0. For 0, minus 4. For 1 value, minus 6. Okay. For 2 value, 2, minus 6. For 3 value, 3, minus 4. For 4 value, 4, 0. For 5 value, 5, 6. So, to draw the graph of a polynomial, first we need to take the tabular form like this. So, 0, some positive values and some negative values. After taking the x value, we need to keep the x value in that equation and we should get the y value. Like that, for each and every value, we need to calculate the y value. So, now we got the x coordinate and y coordinate. So, what is x coordinate and y coordinate? Nothing but an ordered pair. It is a point on the coordinate plane. So, using the coordinate plane, we should draw the graph. Okay. Next, we are going to draw the graph. Okay. Okay. Now, let us draw the graph of the polynomial using this tabular form. We are using this tabular form to draw the graph of the quadratic polynomial. So, look at the points x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 6. For minus 1, 0 and for 0, minus 4. So, here I am taking scale as for x axis 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter and for y axis 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeters. Means scale means nothing but a square. So, this square box I am taking it as 2 centimeters. So, this is in x direction. So, the scale for x axis is 2 units. And again, here the square unit is 2 centimeter. So, here on the y axis also the scale, that is 1 centimeter, 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. So, this one we will call it as unit. So, one square box we will call it as unit. So, for 1 unit we are taking 2 centimeter on the x axis. And again here also this on the y axis, this we will take it as unit. So, 1 square, 1 unit. So, this 1 unit on the y axis we took as 2 centimeter. So, on y axis also 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. So, now we understood how to take the scale. Now, plot the points based on the table, that is x and y coordinates. So, what is the x coordinate given here? Minus 2. So, the horizontal line is the x axis and the vertical line is the y axis. So, here in the horizontal x axis, x value how much? Minus 2. So, for minus 2, what is the y value? 6. Y value is 6. So, for minus 2, 6 value is here. So, the point will be here. Next, for minus 1. So, minus 1 is not present here. So, minus 1 lies exactly between 0 and minus 2. Okay. So, minus 1 lies here. For minus 1, what is the y value? 0. So, the point lies here itself, that is 0. Next, for 0, for x axis 0 means 0 here only. So, the y value is minus 4. So, here it is negative y axis. So, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. So, for 0, minus 4 means it will come here. Next, for 1, the value is minus 6. So, 1 value is not there. So, it should lie between 0 and 2. So, 1 value lies here. So, for 1 value what is given? Minus 6. So, exactly it will come here. Next, for 2 value. For 2 value it is minus 6. For 2 value again it is minus 6. 2 means here and minus 6 means here. That is minus 6. And for 3 value, for 3. So 3 does not lie between 2 and 4. So 3 is here. 3 value, the y coordinate is minus 4. So 3 lies between 2 and 4. So for 3 value, what is the value? Minus 4. So for 3 it is minus 4. It is exactly here. So for 4, for x-axis 4 value, for x coordinate 4 value, what we got? 0. So it is here. Next for 5. So 5 lies exactly between 4 and 5. Let it be 5. So what for 5, what is the value given? 6. So for 5 it is given as 6. So exactly it lies here. So now what we have to do is just join the points and observe what the graph we have got. So join the points. So like this, join the point. Okay, what is the graph we have got? That is upward parabola. So after locating the points, we have drawn the graph using the points. So what is the graph we have got? Upward parabola. So look at the graph, how it came for the quadratic polynomial, upward parabola. So previously we have discussed that for a greater than 0 value, the parabola will be upward. So here x square minus 3x minus 4. Here a is greater than 0. So for a greater than 0, always the parabola will be upward. We have learned already in the synopsis. So based on that also we can say that it is an upward parabola. Also based on this tabular form, we have got this graph as the upward parabola. Okay, thank you for watching.